We doing kicked up salmon croquettes today, y'all. Oh yeah, they so good. They really good. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. First thing first, we gonna start off with a whole fillet of salmon. And we gonna go ahead and get this thing portioned out. Now, once we cut that tail off, which is the smaller end, we gonna cut that top off so we can square it up. And then we gonna take this belly part and just cut that thin layer of belly meat out. Now this gonna help us make 3 meals, y'all. 3 meals, not just one. Then we gonna go ahead and get our salmon portioned out. Now, this here would be 2 meals for me and my wife. That's 2 different cooking days, y'all. That's 4 pieces of salmon, y'all. 4 pieces. Now this part here, we gonna take it and we gonna cut this up. Now we gonna make us a good stew out of this part. Now you gonna have to let this build up because you ain't getting enough out of these salmon. And see this part here, this big enough for our croquettes. So we gonna go ahead and get that skin off. Then we gonna go and take that skin off that bigger piece. After we get that skin off, we're gonna go and cube that salmon up and get into our food process. Now once we get our salmon in, we gonna go and rain on them. Now I'll hit them with a little bit of tahini, some salt and pepper, a little bit of dill, and some basil. So let's get our lid on. Now, we just gonna post this. Now, you don't want to over post it. As you can see, I only did maybe 3 or 4 posts. And then our salmon is ready to go, y'all. It's ready to go. So in a bowl, we're gonna start off with onion, celery, and bell pepper. It's time to add in our salmon, y'all. And once we get our salmon in, we're gonna go ahead and get some breadcrumbs on it. About a half a cup. Then we gonna get 2 eggs into the mix. Then it's time to stir that on in. Now, you don't want to do a rough stir. You're gonna kind of fold it in so you don't break up your salmon too much. Looking good, y'all. Looking good. So now let's go ahead and form our patties. Then we gonna go ahead and get into our dredge. Now our dredge is nothing but cornmeal, dill, and salt and pepper. That's all. Now we want to make sure that we get our salmon covered really well, so we develop that nice crust out. And once we get them covered, let's go ahead and get them in that grease. Now our grease is at 350. Now this is a shallow fry, y'all, not a deep fry. A shallow fry. Alright, once that crust develops on one side, time to give it a flippy flip. Flippy flip, y'all. Oh yeah, them looking good, y'all. Them looking good. Oh yeah, she all done. Let's get on out that skillet. Now, I like mine not fried too hard. You don't want them dry, y'all. If your salmon is dry, maybe you frying it too hard. But anyway, let's give this a tasty taste. Oh my God, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh yeah, tasty, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.